miles an hour. Tonight, clear.
It's weekly time.
60s.
Weekly time.
Southwest winds around 5 miles an hour. Thursday.
Oh, here we go. Oh my god.
Activated the warning alarm on 13 weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. Very dangerous weather situations. These specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m.
What the heck is that?
If your weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the warning system. We now return to regular programming. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of central and southern Minnesota
And west central Wisconsin. For today and tonight.
No hazardous weather is expected at this time.
And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. Scattered thunderstorms can be expected late Thursday afternoon through Friday night. There is a marginal risk of severe
L.